আমার নাম রাইসুল ইসলাম রায়ান। ধন্যবাদ ছাত্র শিবিরকে এরকম একটা আয়োজন করার জন্য। আমার প্রজেক্টের নাম ফিউচার স্পেস হ্যাবিটেট। Basically, in the future, when the population grows very large and Earth faces environmental pollution, it will be essential to establish a safe, sustaining happiness space to provide safe living opportunities as well as a center for scientific and technological advancement. We have designed it so people can live safely in space, and it will serve as an effective center for new research, science education, technological advancement, and preparation for future space missions. Our space habitat will have two protection layers. One is radiation shield and another is matter protection layer. Radiation shield protects our habitat from cosmic rays, and matter protection layer protect against space matter. Our space habitat will have its own renewable energy system, including solar system, a closed loop water and food production center. Life support system will provide clean air, temperature control, and safety measures for emergencies. Our space habitat is special because anyone can survive here, not just astronauts. It will be like a safe home in space with houses, education and research labs, hospitals, food, water, and energy, just like on Earth. Thank you.
শত শহীদের রক্তে কেনা সিক্ত এ জামিন প্রতি পর